Today, we'll be demonstrating the basic cleaning and maintenance for your Jet 15-inch planer. Be sure to reference your instruction manual for important safety instructions. Once you've disconnected from the power source, you're ready to get started. Buildup of sawdust and other debris can cause your machine to plane inaccurately. Periodic cleaning is not only recommended, but mandatory for accurate planing. Close-fitting parts should be cleaned with a cloth or brush and non-flammable solvent and freed from clinging foreign matter. Remove resin and other accumulations from the feed rollers and the table with a soft rag or a stiff brush. Periodically check the chains for proper tension and adjust accordingly if required. The column will need to be cleaned and lubricated weekly. The drive chain will need general-purpose grease applied monthly. The tension feed roller nuts will need to be cleaned and oiled on occasion. Please refer to Table 3 in the manual for complete instructions on lubrication points. The lubricant in the gearbox should be replaced every 2,500 hours. Multi-purpose gearbox lubricant will be suitable. To replace the lubricant, remove the gearbox cover and remove the drain plug and remove the filler cap. Drain the used oil thoroughly. Reinstall the drain plug and fill the gearbox with clean lubricant through the hole. Then install and tighten the filler cap. To replace the belt, remove the cabinet panel and belt guard. Rotate the pulleys using the belt, while gradually walking the belt off one pulley until it comes free. Use the reverse process to install the new belt, making sure it is seated completely into the pulley grooves. Check for proper tension. The work table is set parallel to the cutter head by the manufacturer, and no further adjustment should be necessary. If your machine is planing a taper, check to see if the knives or knife inserts are set properly in the cutter head. If you have any further maintenance questions about your Jet 15-inch planer, be sure to consult your instruction manual. Any additional servicing to your Jet tool should be performed by an authorized service technician at one of our 750 authorized service centers located in all 50 states. Don't forget that each Jet tool comes with our Red Assurance Guarantee. Contact our support team today to find a service center near you.